How to hide camera roll video in Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in and you get this interface, now to get to your camera roll, on your interface there you will have the gallery or picture icon on your left hand side. So simply tap on that. Now you will get to the memory space. Now to get to camera roll, from this interface at the top in the menu bar, there is an option as camera roll. So tap on that. Now you will land in your camera roll piece. Now to hide a video from your camera roll, in Snapchat there is a feature as my eyes only. So you can select a video from your camera roll and then move it to my eyes only. In my eyes only, except you, no one will have an access to your my eyes only until and unless they have known your PIN. So first of all, select a video that you would like to add or hide from camera roll. Once you select it, you will have an option as hide from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. So tap on hide. Now it will ask you to move to my eyes only, then tap on move. Once the video get moved to my eyes only, then you will get an option to delete the video from camera roll. So tap on delete. Then tap on allow. Now the video will get deleted from your camera roll and it is moved to your my eyes only section. So first of all, head over to the menu bar from the top of this interface and then swipe to your left and then go to my eyes only. Now here, if you haven't created a PIN yet, you have to create a PIN, or if you have already created a PIN, simply type in your PIN. Once you type in your PIN, and you will get access to your my eyes only, and here you will be able to find your video that you have recently added to my eyes only, and then in this way you can hide a video from your camera roll to my eyes only in Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.